The 2026 Toyota Camper van represents a bold step forward in combining Toyota's legendary dependability with the growing demands of overland travel and mobile living. Right from the start you sense this is more than a regular van conversion, it feels like Toyota built it for adventure from the ground up. Although full official specs are still filtering out, what we do know already points to something exciting. Externally the van retains signature Toyota design cues, clean lines, balanced proportions, and a rugged yet refined presence. Its chassis appears derived from Toyota's light commercial platforms, which promises strength and durability. Wheels are larger than typical cargo vans, tires more aggressive, and there are likely to be protective elements like skid plates and reinforced underbody components, hinting that this van is meant to go off the beaten path. The lighting up front is sharp and modern, likely LED, with a roof rack likely built into the frame for solar panels or gear storage, plus possibly a side awning for shade. Inside, the layout seems optimized for comfortable living in tight spaces. The bed folds or converts cleverly, seating is modular, and storage is plentiful, hidden under benches, overhead, and in slide-outs. The kitchen area looks well appointed, small sink, possibly induction cooktop, and enough counter space for minimal cooking, plus a compact refrigerator. Bathrooms are compact but efficient. Expect a cassette or wet bath setup that serves both shower and toilet without dramatically increasing weight or complexity. Large windows, possibly panoramic, bring in light, and ambient or mood lighting gives the inside a modern, homely feel. Power and utilities within the van are also getting serious attention. There are reports of integrated solar, battery systems to allow off-grid camping, and energy management systems to monitor consumption. Heating and cooling systems seem well thought through, insulation, perhaps a rooftop AC unit, plus a heater for colder nights. For water, there should be fresh and gray water tanks of reasonable capacity, with a hot water heater likely included. On the driving side, Toyota seems to have balanced comfort with off-road capability. The suspension is tougher than a city van's, steering more precise, ride height somewhat elevated, perhaps with selectable drive modes for different road surfaces. Under the hood, expect Toyota's favored powertrains, possibly a refined turbo diesel or gasoline engine, maybe even hybrids or electrified options in certain markets. Transmission likely automatic or advanced automatic manual hybrid. Fuel efficiency, of course, will be a focus, especially given the intended camping usage. Safety and technology make the camper van far more than just a box on wheels. Expect Toyota's suite of active safety features, collision mitigation, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring. Inside tech may include touchscreen infotainment, navigation with campground, off-road mapping, USB/USB-C ports, Wi-Fi or connectivity spec for devices. Monitoring systems for battery state, water levels, solar input will help the van's occupant manage resources smartly. Comfort of course is key in a camper, and Toyota doesn't seem to be cutting corners. Ventilation and airflow will likely be optimized with roof vents or fans, maybe even screened windows. Bedding and seating material quality looks high, probably using durable fabrics that can handle exposure to moisture, dirt, and frequent use. Noise insulation, against road, wind, and engine, is likely improved over standard commercial vans. In terms of trade-offs, weight will be a challenge. With all the living amenities, insulation, water tanks, batteries etc., payload capacity will matter. Toyota will have had to make decisions about what to include as standard versus optional to balance cost, weight, and functionality. Also reliability in rugged conditions often depends on ease of maintenance. Toyota's global service network is a plus here, but local parts availability, especially for camper-specific gear, will be something owners will scrutinize. All told, the 2026 Toyota camper van promises to raise the bar in the camper van, overland van market. It blends Toyota's engineering strength with thoughtful design tailored to life on the road. For people who want to escape into nature, yet stay connected, comfortable, and safe, it could be an excellent choice. Availability, pricing, and specific regional features will ultimately decide whether it becomes a bestseller, but early glimpses suggest it has what it takes.